Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of accounting software options out there? You're not alone. QuickBooks, Sage, Xero. The list seems endless. But today, we're focusing on one particular contender, Xero. Now, the burning question is, how long does it actually take to learn Xero? Is it a weekend project, a month-long slog, or something in between? We're about to dive deep, exploring the factors that influence learning curves, offering practical tips to accelerate your Xero journey, and ultimately, giving you a realistic time frame for achieving Xero mastery. Transition to acknowledging the varying levels of expertise. Let's be honest, everyone starts at a different point. Some of you might be seasoned accountants, while others might be complete beginners grappling with basic accounting concepts. For absolute novices, expect a slightly steeper learning curve. You'll need to grasp fundamental accounting principles like debits, credits, the chart of accounts, and how to reconcile bank statements. But don't worry, Xero is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive interface and helpful resources can significantly smooth the learning path. Now, let's break down the key factors that influence how quickly you can learn Xero. Factor 1. Your prior accounting knowledge. As mentioned earlier, your existing accounting knowledge plays a crucial role. If you're already familiar with accounting principles and terminology, you'll likely pick up Xero much faster. Think of it like learning a new language. If you already know a similar language, you'll grasp the new one more easily. However, even with no prior accounting experience, Xero's user-friendly interface can make the learning process surprisingly manageable. Many find its intuitive design and helpful tooltips quite intuitive. Factor 2. Learning style and approach. Everyone learns differently. Some prefer visual aids, while others thrive on hands-on experience. Visual learners. Take advantage of Xero's extensive online resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and interactive guides. Hands-on learners. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with a simple trial balance, then gradually increase the complexity of your tasks. Structured learners. Follow a structured learning path. Xero offers guided tours and certification courses that can provide a clear roadmap. Regardless of your learning style, consistent practice is key. Dedicate regular time to explore Xero's features and experiment with different functionalities. Factor 3. Time commitment and learning resources. How much time you dedicate to learning Xero will directly impact your progress. Daily practice. Even 30 minutes of daily practice can significantly accelerate your learning. Dedicated learning sessions. Schedule dedicated blocks of time for focused learning. Utilize Xero's resources. Take advantage of Xero's extensive online resources, including help articles, webinars, and community forums. Consider Xero's certification courses. These courses provide structured learning and can demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice, even in short bursts, will yield better results than in frequent marathon sessions. Factor 4. The complexity of your business. The complexity of your business operations will also influence your learning curve. Simple businesses, sole proprietorships, and small businesses with straightforward transactions will likely find Xero easier to learn. Complex businesses. Businesses with multiple entities, inventory management, and complex tax requirements may require more time and effort. Don't worry, Xero is designed to handle a wide range of business needs. As your business grows, you can gradually explore and implement more advanced features, providing a realistic time frame. So, how long does it really take to learn Xero? Beginners with no prior accounting knowledge. Expect to spend several weeks to a few months to become comfortable with the basics. Individuals with some accounting experience. You might be able to grasp the core functionalities within a few weeks. Experienced accountants. You can likely become proficient with Xero relatively quickly, perhaps within a few days or weeks. These are just general estimates. Your learning journey will be unique to you and your specific needs, offering practical tips to accelerate learning. Now, let's explore some practical tips to accelerate your Xero learning journey. Start with the basics. Begin with the core functionalities, such as creating invoices, recording expenses, and reconciling bank accounts. Use the Xero guided tours, These interactive tours provide a step-by-step introduction to key features. Practice regularly. Consistent practice, even in short bursts, is more effective than in frequent marathon sessions. Utilize Xero's online resources. Explore help articles, watch video tutorials, and participate in webinars. Connect with other Xero users. Join online forums or attend local meetups to learn from other users and share your experiences. Don't be afraid to experiment. Xero has a user-friendly interface, so feel free to explore and experiment with different features. Seek help when needed. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Xero's support team or consult with an accountant. By following these tips, you can significantly streamline your learning process and become a Xero pro in no time. Addressing potential concerns. Some common concerns about learning Xero include the cost. Xero offers a free trial, allowing you to explore the platform before committing. The time commitment. As we discussed, consistent practice, even in short bursts, can significantly accelerate your learning. The complexity. While Xero offers advanced features, you can start with the basics and gradually explore more complex functionalities as needed. By addressing these concerns proactively, you can approach your Xero learning journey with confidence. Let's recap. The time it takes to learn Xero varies depending on your prior accounting knowledge, learning style, time commitment, and the complexity of your business. Consistent practice, utilizing Xero's resources, and seeking help when needed are crucial for accelerating your learning. Xero offers a user-friendly interface and a wealth of online resources to support your learning journey. With consistent effort and the right approach, you can master Xero and streamline your accounting processes. Learning Xero is an investment in your time and your business. By mastering this powerful accounting software, you can improve efficiency, gain valuable insights into your financial performance, and make more informed business decisions. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and start your Xero learning journey today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,